Now in this video we are going to focus more problems on multiplication of the rational number, as well as we will talk about how to apply the properties in multiplication of rational numbers. Like here in the first question, the value of p, q, r, the three variables value is given, and it is asked to verify the first property, p multiplied bracket q multiplied r is equal to bracket p multiplied q multiplied r. Okay, and the second property that it is required to prove is p multiplied bracket q minus r equals to p multiplied q minus p multiplied r. We will solve both the parts one by one. So the very first we are going to do the part 1. So its solution we will do. So what it is required to prove, p multiplied q multiplied r equals to bracket p multiplied q multiplied r at p equals to minus 8 by 27, q equals to 3 by 4, and r equals to minus 12 by 15. Here I can see that this minus 12 upon 15 can be divisible by uh, 3. Okay, so you can write minus 4 upon 5 also. In place of minus 12 upon 15, you can write minus 4 upon 5 also. So this change you can do if proper divisibility, if there is a common factor between numerator and denominator. Now pick the left hand side at first. So left hand side is p multiplied bracket q multiplied r. Put the values. So what is the value of p? Minus 8 upon 27. Inside the bracket, what will come? 3 upon 4 multiplied minus 4 by 5. Right? Now, at first the bracket will be solved. So this 4 and this 4 will cut. What will left inside the bracket? Minus 3 upon 5. So outside the bracket it will be minus 8 upon 27, and inside the bracket it will be minus 3 upon 5. Right? Open the bracket. Minus 8 upon 27 multiplied minus 3 by 5. As the both rational numbers are negative, final answer will be positive, because even number of negative rational numbers are there. Right? Now do the cutting. 3 ones are 3, 3 nines are 27. Now whatever is left, just multiply them. What you are going to get? 8 upon 9 fives are 45. 8 upon 45. So left hand side you got 8 upon 45. Right? This you have got on the left hand side. Now make one line between left hand side and right hand side. Now write down right hand side. Right hand side is p multiplied q multiplied r. Put the value of p, q and r. Inside the first bracket it will come minus 8 upon 27. Q is 3 by 4. Then multiplied by minus 4 by 5. Right? Inside the bracket cutting is possible. So do the cutting. 4 ones are 4, 4 twos are 8. 3 ones are 3, 3 nines are 27. What will left inside the bracket? Minus 2 by 9 multiplied minus 4 by 5. Again we can see both are negative rational numbers. Just they are going to make positive. So multiply the numerator, multiply the denominator. It will come 8 upon 45. Right? So it will come right hand side equals to 8 upon 45. Okay? As LHS equals to RHS equals to 8 upon 45. So P multiplied Q multiplied R in bracket is equal to P multiplied Q in the bracket multiplied R. Which property it is? I guess all remembered. Associative property, as more than two rational numbers are here to multiply. I am again and again repeating the same concept. Reason behind associative property. Reason behind when you repeat the practice and do the practice, then only concept starts developing in your mind. Now we are going to solve the second part, that is P multiplied Q minus R. So let us do that part. Second part is P multiplied Q minus R equals to P multiplied Q minus P multiplied R. Here P equals to minus 8 by 27. Q equals to, let us check what is the value of Q, 3 by 4. And what is the value of R? Minus 4 by 5. After solution, it has come minus 4 by 5. So, as usual, pick the left hand side. That is P multiplied Q minus R. Right. Now put the values minus 8 by 27. Inside the bracket, 3 upon 4 minus minus 4 by 5. Right. Now this minus and this minus sign will multiply. So minus minus when multiplied, it will become plus. Right. So inside the bracket, it will come 3 by 4 plus 4 by 5. Now there are two fractions, two rational numbers which are there inside the bracket to be added. Take the LCM. 20 will be the LCM. Now 4 5s are 20. 5 3s are 15. 5 4s are 15. 5 4s are 20. So 4 and 4 will multiply. It will come 16. So inside the bracket, it will come 31 upon 20. Open the bracket and do the required cutting. 8 and 20 both have HCF 4. So cut by HCF 4. It will come 2 here and it will come 5 here. As there is only one negative rational number, so final answer will be negative. Multiply 3 and 2 and 31. It will come minus 62. Okay. Minus 62 divided by 27 and 5 multiply. 7 5s are 35. Then 5 to the 10. 10 plus 3, 135. So in this way, LHS has come minus 62 upon 135, right? Now come to the RHS. Between LHS and RHS, make the line. Always solve the left hand side and right hand side separately in case of verification questions. Now put the values. Minus 8 by 27 multiplied 3 by 4 minus 8 by 27 multiplied minus 4 by 5. Keep this inside the bracket. Reason behind the first and second, both the numbers are negative rational numbers. Now in the first product, 3 and 27 are cut, 4 and 8 are cut. Cut them. 3 ones are 3, 3 nines are. Here 4 ones are 4 twos are. What left after cutting in the first bracket? Minus 2 by 9. Now come here. As inside the second bracket, second product, both are negative. So after multiplication, the answer will be positive. So only this minus sign will copy down. Now do the cutting. 4 1 here there is no cutting possible. So leave the cutting. So what will left here? 8 4s are 32 and 27 into this 5. It will come 35. Okay. Now open the bracket. We have done these two steps simultaneously. As inside this there will be plus. So plus multiplied minus, minus will come. Now take the LCM. The LCM will be 135. Now 15 nines are 135. Then 15 will be multiplied with minus 2. Minus 30 will come. And 135 ones are 135. So here minus 32 only come. So finally what you are going to get? Minus 62 upon 135. So right hand side also you have got minus 62 upon 135. As LHS equals to RHS equals to minus 62 upon 135. So P into Q minus R equals to P into Q minus P multiplied R. Which property it is? Distributive property. So in this way, distributive property is verified, where product is distributed for subtraction, right? Now let us take one more problem. Verify the commutative property for the following for the following uh, pair, right? Commutative property is always applicable only for the two numbers. And what it says, a property of multiplication means whether you multiply 4 upon 5 multiplied minus 7 by 8, or you multiply minus 7 by 8 by 4 by 5. In both cases, the answer should remain unchanged. So let us do the solution, right? So commutative property. At first state what is the commutative property. So commutative property is A multiplied B equals to B multiplied A. Now what is the value of A given here? 4 upon 5. B is given minus 7 by 8. Pick the left hand side as usual. A multiplied B. That is 4 upon 5 multiplied minus 7 by 8. Now this 4 and 8 can be divisible. 4 ones are 4 twos are. A multiplied B, you will get minus 7 upon 10. Now pick the right hand side. What is right hand side? B multiplied A. Now put the value of B, minus 7 by 8 multiplied 4 by 5. Again do the cutting. Again B multiplied A, you have got minus 7 by 10. Right? As LHS equals to RHS equals to minus 7 by 8. So A multiplied B is equals to B multiplied A. Which property is verified? Commutative property is verified, right? Okay, now proceed with the second last problem of the day. I'm just going to explain it because already you have done many problems of such kind. Okay. Here the value of x, y and z is given to you. X, y and z is given to you, and it is asked x multiplied y plus z equals to x multiplied y plus x multiplied z. If you recall, just now only we have done the distributive property over subtraction. So you can see on the left hand side, over the sum, one number is multiplied. That means distributive property over addition is required to be applied. So process is same as we have done in the previous question. Try to do yourself. If you stuck anywhere, comment me. I will help you how to reach to the answer. Okay. So keep practicing, keep learning. One more word problem I want to tell you. Uh, Although it is very easy, but then also I want to tell you one word problem. This question you try yourself. Okay. This is the question. A train covers 80 kilometer in an hour. Okay. In an hour. How much distance will it cover in 45 minutes? They have given time in an hour that this much distance is covered. Now they are asking in how many minutes it will cover the distance that you have to find out. So at first you should know what is that minutes, what are the minutes in 1 hour. So we know 1 hour equals to 60 minutes. Okay. So our first statement will be distance in 60 minutes. How much? 80 kilometer. So distance in 1 minute, that is 80 upon 60. Cut this 0, it will come 4 by 3. So distance in 45 minutes, that is 4 upon 3 multiplied by 45. Do the cutting. 3 ones are 3, 3 15s are. So how much it will come? 15 fours are 60 kilometer. So distance covered in 45 minutes is 60 kilometer. Okay. So I guess whatever the main things were there in multiplication of rational number, I have covered all the main topics. Go through both the parts of multiplication of the rational numbers. All your doubts will be clear. Still, if you feel that you are not able to do the questions, you are stuck somewhere, on the comments you can ask, do the comment and ask what is your doubt. I will try to solve it. Till then, keep practicing and do subscribe my channel, like it, share it, and visit it regularly if you want to learn maths systematically one by one. Till then, keep practicing. Bye. Good night.